welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today I have so many things, like guys, I have so many things to do. Right now I'm all dressed up. I'll be going to the market. I'm going to the market to get I need to get new sheets for the house, new bed sheets and duvet cover for the house. And I don't just want to order from random online shops, because you may not get the quality you want. The last time I ordered from them, I didn't get the quality I want, so I want to go to the market right now to buy the sheets. And also today I'm going to go to the shopping mall. I have a couple of things to do, and then yeah, I'll be stopping by to pick up my skincare products. So I'm going to carry you guys along with me, so come with me.
Would you like a receipt?
Hey guys, I'm done shopping from the market. I came to the shopping mall to pick some things that I needed for the house, and I also got my skincare product, vitamin C serum. Yeah, I got vitamin C serum. Guys, I've been looking for this serum for the longest. I had no idea that there is Med Plus in Enugu. I just came across them today, and funny enough, they have like almost all these skincare products that I use, and I've been looking for these skincare products for the longest. So I picked vitamin C syrup from them, and rest assured, I know I'm going to be coming back to buy some other skincare products from them. So right now I'll just be driving home, and yeah, basically I think that's just it for today. Hey guys, so it's the next day and it's currently 2:52 p.m. and I have a nail appointment. That's where I'm heading to right now. My nail appointment is for 3 o'clock. From my location to where I'm supposed to get my nails done is not that far, so I bet I'm going to get there before time or on time. So but I'm going to take you guys along with me, so let's go. I'm done making my nails and I love it. Like, guys, look at these nails, it's so gorgeous. Like, the lady just got the exact design and shape I wanted. So I'm done. I'm sorry I could not video the process for you guys, but I'm done and I love my nails. This is 5:50 in the evening, and guys, like, I'm so exhausted, I'm tired and hungry at the same time. So I'm just going to be heading home right now, and I think that's just it for today. That's it for today. And then tomorrow I have lash appointments for 2, I think. Is it 2? I just know, yeah, 2 in the afternoon, but I don't know the exact, whether it's 2:30 or 2:10. I'm not really sure, but I'll check. But I know I have lash appointments for tomorrow. That's basically it. That's just what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So guys, let me head home, take a shower, eat and relax. Like, I'm tired, I'm really exhausted. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so the last time I spoke to you guys was yesterday evening. I told you guys that I have a lash appointment for today, but guys, unfortunately I could not video anything for you guys when I was on my way there, and while I was there I couldn't video anything because everything was happening at the same time. I was so late for my lash appointment, so when I got there, like, everything just, like, I was just rushing out to go for my appointment so I could meet up. And guys, I ended up doing my brows also. Like, I love it. I've always wanted to do my brows for the longest. I think I've been skeptical about it because I don't want a situation whereby I do my brows and it goes wrong. Like, I've always been scared about that, but finally guys, I got my brows done and it's just perfect. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. See guys, like, so nice, so beautiful. And I love my lashes. I like my lashes too. I love it. So yeah, I just got home right now. This is 6:30 and everywhere is already like dark. Everywhere is dark. I just got home now. I'm very tired. I'll just be heading inside. I'm still in the car. I just let me just talk to you guys before I go inside. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I have I'll be going for my hair appointment tomorrow. Guys, I have a lot to do this week. I'm going to be going for my hair appointment tomorrow by 11 a.m. Hopefully I'm not going to go late. Hopefully I'm not going to be late, so I'll try to like do a video for you guys. Like, I'll try to like talk to you guys before I go. Good morning guys, this is the next day. Today is Friday, 1st of December. Guys, like, I can't believe this year is already coming to an end. Well guys, I have a hair appointment, like I told you guys yesterday. I have hair appointment. I'm heading there right now. Guys, look at, like, let me deviate small because Guys, look at my brows. This is the next day after I got my brows done. I got my brows done yesterday. I showed you guys. This is the next morning. God, this brows is really popping, and I love my lashes too. So yeah, I am heading for my hair appointments. I'm early today, I'm not late. So I'm just putting on a t-shirt and a trouser, and I'm carrying my Zara bag, and that's just it. So I'm heading out right now. Let me not promise you guys anything, but possibly or probably I'm going to capture the process for you guys. I'm just going to I'm not going to like braid my hair. I have a crochet that I ordered. Let me show you guys. I'll be installing this crochet hair. That's what I'm going to be doing, and I hope it turns out well. I wouldn't want to sit for hours getting my hair done. Like, I don't have that strength. I don't have that strength. I don't even know how you guys do it. So I'll be getting this crochet installed. I ordered this from an Instagram vendor. I don't know if you can see the name. I think Mellow Trees or Mellow what? Yeah, I'll be getting it installed today, and probably going to show you guys the process. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the process, so just